Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can reduce file size for free and offline. What you need to do basically, you need to download an application referred to as Heartbreak. Just open it. So it is already running, so it is here. This is the file which we usually is an application which we usually refer as Heartbreak. So Heartbreak usually help us to reduce the file size. So I'll show you a file size which I have here, which I downloaded. So it's close to 469 megabytes. So I cannot upload this file maybe in YouTube or in other platform where I want to upload this file. So in order to reduce the size, what we need to do, you need to get into the Heartbreak, then come to where we have file. Then you need to get to where the file is. So my file is at the internal storage, is at the folder named as movie, which is here. So this is the file, so you can confirm so that you don't see like it is not working. So just click above it. When you click above it, the file will be uploaded in Heartbreak. So Heartbreak is just a third-party app, but it's powered by Microsoft. But I know a lot of people don't know about it. So from there, you need to come here where we have the video option. Since the video is where a lot of sizes usually taken due to the variation of vertices and so on and so forth, or variation of frames. So you just come here and then choose the frame rate as same source. I need to choose the frame rate to be constant. Then I need to put a coder to slow. It will not affect the video quality if you are worrying about the quality. Then I need to come here where we have the constant quality. I will need to maintain it as at 23. Then after that, let me come to where we have summary. At the summary, we can use the web optimized. Then we can click start. I made a mistake. Before we click start, let me stop. Do you want? Yes, I want to stop the recording. I want to browse and choose where I want the file to be saved so that we make it simple to get it. So I just save it at the downloads and then click save. Then we can start the recording. So recording may take be sometimes since this is technically around the video, but we shall wait and then compare the original one, which was 469 megabytes, to the output. So it will quite take some time since it must load from here to 100%, but we shall wait and see the output. But okay, let us give it time. So in order to get Heartbreak, so Heartbreak is so easy. You just get into your browser and then search for Heartbreak downloads, and then you can be able to download the Heartbreak software. So let us give it time, and but we can, as we are waiting, so that we don't waste a lot of time, I can be sharing something here. So also using Heartbreak, you can be able also to increase the volume of your video in case you recorded a video maybe and the volume output is not impressive. So to do that, what you need to do, you can come here and put the volume of the video as gain and add the gain rate to allowed 18 to 16. Even a video with the lowest sound quality, the video will be having best quality output. So we can give it time to complete recording and then we shall continue from. Thank you. After the recording is 100% now we can go ahead and check the file size from the download where we saved it. So let us come back to the download and then visualize the file size. So you can notice that the file size have significantly reduced the size from size space of around 469 megabyte is now 74.3 megabyte, which is easy to use and compatible with a lot of platforms where you need to put this video to. So we can try